Hello everyone, in this video I am going to be showing you how you can add Chick-fil-A points from the app from your receipt. So first of all, this is what you need to keep in mind. Open the chickfil.com, just download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and log in or create an account. Then tap Find a restaurant and select your nearby location. And now choose mobile order and then tap drive-thru or mobile through if available. So let me just recheck now essential please. And after that, uh, also mobile through is a special drive-thru lane just for app users. So make sure you have the app so you can get access to that lane. Now, not every location has it, so check availability when selecting your pickup method. Now, you need to build your order. Add your favorite items, choose your payment method, and place the order. Then head to the restaurant, follow signs for mobile through or enter the regular drive-through lane if that's what you selected. Now if you choose mobile through, select the QR, scan the QR code and check-in point using your app, then pull forward. For regular drive-through, let the team member know you ordered through the app. They'll handle the rest. And that's it. You've just ordered Chick-fil-A through the app and picked it like a pro. Now after that, you can add a receipt to your account to receive points for your purchase if you forgot to scan it. So all you have to do is in the sign into your account, click account and transaction, then submit this transaction and fill out the required fields. That is how you can do it on the website.